Hello YouTube. So today you're gonna see me do some logging of mushrooms, or just descriptions of them. This is for me and my friend that we've been trying to log as many as we can. I've only got about 16 minutes to do this though. Got my little food over here, and I'll try my best to describe these in as best detail as possible. I've taken pictures prior. All right, let's move on. Let's start. So we got this one here. And there's a dual one here. This one, they appear to be joined at the hip. I don't know if you can see that, I just ripped them apart. But there was a huge cluster of these, and some of them appear to be growing directly off each other like this, and some were singles. So it's soft, but I wouldn't say smooth, like there's friction when you rub against it. Mushroom cap goes down. I would say this is a gill. Base is larger than the rest of the stem. I guess that's all we need to say about these. I got better pictures of these later too for my partner to check these out. And I guess I'll call that specimen 50. I'm not sure where my friend is, so I'll just jump ahead a bunch. I'll call this specimen 51. As you can see, they grew together in clusters, but not like attached at the hips. So as you can see, it has a downward top with a pronounced center. Also gills, although, yeah, I wouldn't call that ridges, that would be a gill. Long stem. It's a brownish color, but this stem has more of a black. It does bruise easy on like the white one. This one, specimen 51, does bruise a brown. I don't know if you can see it on here. Alright. So, specimen 52. This is a tree growing one. All the other ones, there's two I did before, ground. As you can see, it's white on the top with layers. Oh. And black, or it almost looks like a purple or a blue. On camera, it looks mostly black, but it is black. But as you get closer to the edges, it does look like a blue or purple. Pores would be, I would consider the pores teeth. And there's some brown colors on the top, yeah. Alright. Specimen 53. Also a tree one, looks like a fingernail. The top of it's hard, looks like a toe or finger, as you can see. And the bottom's a different color, it's whiter. It's it uses pores or whatever. As you can see, there's little holes. I don't know if you can see. Sorry, I don't know how to focus this very well. There's that better. There. Specimen 54. I think we may have already had this one, so this might get reverted back to a different one. Grows right out of the tree. Looks like it was part of a little branch at one time. Brown, purple, and black colors on the top as long as with the white. Porous 2, hangs out like a canopy. This one's an interesting one, and it would be sample 55, or specimen 55. It actually grows off a tree. You can't tell, looks like a ground fungus kind of, but it grew at the base of a tree, and there were several, but none of them grew up the tree, just at the base. There's several layers, kind of like a coral reef sort of. Also porous. There's several colors down there. I would consider this a yellow or a beige with some white lining. Also, it is fairly velvety feeling. And so is this next one we do. Also velvety. Specimen 56. It's a brown, no blacks, just dark browns, light browns, and yellow for the end of the mushroom piece, for the final ring. It also has different texture for each of the colors. It also has several different layers. Sporous, all yellow with some black on the bottom. Kind of looks like fungus. Okay, I've got this black one. Looks like it's decaying, but all the ones we see of this are in this condition, so whether they're all really old and decaying, or this is its regular state.